Audio Jungle.
This is the time and the place when you will experience unforgettable emotions. Emotions.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Sandra. I'm from SDIT Samawa. I want to deliver a poem that preserves our nature by argent. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, the birds are flying and the breeze is so cool. Mother Nature is trying her best to give nothing but beautifulness. But what do? Make her a mess. Let's make her the best by polluting less and less and preserve green grass for our kids and the rest. Thank you everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.